In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Western Union account. Once you open up the app, then you will click on menu in the top right corner and you want to select login. Now it's going to take you to this page, login or register. So what we want to do is first to type our email address. I will do that. And after we type our email address, you want to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it is then going to make you create a password for your account. So I'm going to set a password here. I'm going to pause and come back. Once you have set a password, then you can either put your mobile phone or verify with your email address. So I'm going to do verify with email address and request a code here. Once you request a code, you will need to check your email address and put the numbers. Then it just asks me if I want to enable Face ID, and now we have successfully registered an account here on Western Union. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.